Okay, do I really need to grind my slab before installing glued down hardwood flooring? Well, the answer is yes. Modern California compliant wood flooring adhesives require a slab to be properly prepared so that a mechanical bond can be achieved. This was less important when older polyurethane glues were used, but it has now become an essential step in slab preparation. All major wood flooring adhesive manufacturers specify their required slab preparation or state an International Concrete Repair Institute profile in their technical data sheets, installation instructions, or warranties. Failure to comply with these requirements constitutes improper installation and is not in accordance with accepted industry standards. For example, Bostic's Best Adhesive Technical Data Sheet, 9/18/2017, Bostic Inc. All surfaces to be treated must have a concrete surface profile, CSP, of 1 to 3, similar to a broomed finish, as defined by ICRI, International Concrete Repair Institute, guideline number 03732. Sika, Mapei, and Franklin, as well as most, if not all other reputable adhesive manufacturers, have similar statements in their technical data. Now, you wouldn't paint without prepping first, right? It's the same principle.